Look, here is a male pigeon doing a mating dance for the female. The female's more interested in me, running away from the male. Look, there's a white pigeon. And over here is a bunch of other pigeons who want to be on television. You'll be a star. There, you pigeon, you're a famous celebrity. These are different kinds of ducks eating from the ground. They're beautiful. That's a crow. Getting much closer. Look at all these different kinds of ducks eating off the ground. There's that pigeon, wants to be on TV too. Hello. Hello, pigeon. This one keeps trying to go after that girl. Doesn't take a hint. Oh, they're into an argument now. He's dancing. Another girl has come. Oh, she's lost in this dating game. All these beautiful birds. Look at them eating. Not a care in the world. They don't care about what's going on outside. All they want is their food. Hear the crows? Crows, crows, crows. Ah, and that one's angry. Doesn't want to be filmed. I understand. Well, look at these birds now. They're very nice. Oh, crikey. Look at that big pigeon. Clearly found something to eat. We're not allowed to feed them. And now they've gone. This one has just passed gas. Oh, I blew up its spot. They've all gone, and just in seconds they've all migrated up north where it's warmer. Bye bye for now. All we have left is this feather.